Hello GPT-3ers, Alex here. As you may have noticed right now, everyone and their dog is talking about GPT-3, GPT-4, and let's not forget GPT Chat. You can't turn on YouTube currently without seeing another video. Don't get me wrong, I personally am loving the public attention AI is suddenly getting, but there is one major OpenAI model that has not received nearly enough attention. One model that if you search on YouTube, you'll probably find 5 or 6 results. Now, I'm not entirely sure whether OpenAI have deliberately made the decision to hide it from the public, as it's not clearly visible anywhere on their front-facing web pages. Yet it's still super easily accessible if you know where to look. I am, of course, talking about, drumroll please, OpenAI Codex, which is what ChatGPT is to text but to application development. With only a few lines of code, you can create graphical games, calculators, webcam applications, and a lot more. This is Prompt News. Let's dive in. Okay, let's preface this by saying I am by no means a developer, which makes this even more interesting for me, as suddenly something out of my reach, which may have taken me years to learn, or even to try and make, or at least been a hefty investment, is now accessible with only a few lines of text. By the way, I've included the URL to access the Codex sandbox in the description below, though it does have a few bugs that I've run into, which are quite annoying. Things like it hangs when you do too many instructions, or sometimes when you delete an instruction, it kind of remains in the cache and so still affects the program, and so it should be gone. So these are some things it still needs to iron out. But aside from that, well, it's amazing. Okay, let's jump into this and make something together. Okay, so here we are. This is the Codex sandpits. So let's jump in and try and make something. Let's try and make a little game. So let's first have... Okay, hang on a second. I'll get a little... Let's find a little picture of a spaceship. Oh, add this to the bottom of the page, size 100 pixel, height. Put that in. Okay, so the issue we have there is I didn't do HTTPS. So let's copy that, delete it, try that one again. HTTPS. Spaceshipness. Hey guys, I don't want to bore you with me making stuff, and this isn't a tutorial. It's more of a kind of public announcement saying, hey, check this cool stuff out. So I'm going to fast forward through me using it, and just so you can get some ideas of how to use it, and things that it's capable of. By all means, I'm not an expert at this, so it can do a lot more than I'm currently using. So anyway, enjoy.
Yeah, I gotta keep dreaming, gotta keep going, yeah, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep breathing, yeah, I gotta keep working, yeah, at least for the moment, start with $1 million, and I want my mansion, so my family knows that, we are set for life, yeah, ain't nothing that's gonna take over, shit, nobody gonna take it, but I grab it, I'ma have it, I've been picking my habits, so I gotta do it, man, I tell them the madness, cause I be really putting, man, I want my status, damn, they gonna see that I do this, they gonna see that I did this, though, now they say, oh shit, I can't do the same when you kidding, bro, cause I spend my time just working, but I spend my time just grinding, and I spend my time in the studio with these lyrics, just combining, just fortune all these diamonds.
Okay, and on that note, I'm going to wrap it up today. That was a quick one. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, check it out, see what you can make, and please share with me. I'm very interested to see what you can come up with. So please share below your designs and your creations. That'd be amazing. As always, it's been a pleasure. Please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.